Hey, I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, I can.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, I am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, mom.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, I am healthy.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, all right?
All right.
Our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, I am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Second time.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I chose Malaysia because Malaysia is near in the Philippines and I want to learn more in the other country, mom.
All right. So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Hello, I am Generous Labial Supera. I am 29 years old. I live in Hasaan, Misamis Oriental. I am single parents with two sons, which is 8 years old and 6 years old. I finished my studies and I have work experience in Saudi Arabia for 1 year and 4 months. I serve 5 members of the family, both elderly, and my main duties are cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing, and sometimes go to the market. That's it.
All right. I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single or married?
I'm single mom.
Single mom, no boyfriend, no live-in partner.
No,
When is your birthday?
October 26, 1996.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'3" and my weight is 64 kilos.
What is your religion?
I am Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I graduate high school.
All right. You mentioned that you got two children, which is 8 and 6 years old. So who will going to
Yes,
look after your children, knowing that you will be working quite far away from them?
my mother.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is 56 years old and she is a housewife.
What about your father?
He is a farmer.
How old is your father?
59 years old.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have 6 sisters and 5 brothers.
What is your rank in your family?
I have the 7 siblings of the family.
Your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so according to you just a while ago, you worked in KSA for 1 year and 4 months. Why you didn't finish your contract?
The reason is my employer is sick and she need to go to the Europe
Oh,
for her treatment.
they migrate in
Yes,
Europe and that's why you was sent back home earlier, but you finished your
yes,
contract to them, is it?
yes, ma'am.
Alright, how old is the elderly that you take care?
Uh, the father is 84 years old and the mother is 82 years old.
84 and 82 years old. So both
Yes,
you take care.
yes,
All right. So you know that Middle East and Malaysia is quite different. I don't want later that once you come to work here, you will going to compare Middle East and Malaysia. It's or I mean the Saudi. All right. So
okay.
Malaysia is quite different. It's a huge different. Houses here is quite big. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. You need to
Uh,
expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East. All right?
okay, okay.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, I can.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
I can cook only Filipino food, but I am willing to learn.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I will try my best.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract, same like what you have signed in Middle East, but apparently your employer was sent you back earlier because they migrate in Europe. Am I right? But
Yes.
this one, you're gonna simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family. You cannot handle your job anymore. There is such a thing happened to your family back in the Philippines. No such a thing, yeah? This
No.
is a 2 years contract and no one forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Once you
Oh,
terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency has nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. All right?
okay.
Usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time. It means you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. You can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes.
We don't force people to come here, all right? If you disagree, it's fine. You can stay in the Philippines, find job opportunities into other countries. You have your choices, you have your options. If you don't agree about our terms and conditions, better stay in the Philippines, all right? Because we don't want to have such a problem later. If you agree, please work properly and don't give us problem, all right?
Okay.
Normally, how do you fight your homesickness? Like for example, it strikes, of course, homesickness is it was there for us, right? But how do you deal with it?
If I feel that, I just make myself busy and sometimes pray.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children, knowing that you are a single mother. All right? In Philippines,
Yes.
we can do whatever we want. We can be the boss there. But here in Malaysia or in any other countries, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes.
Alright? I have
Okay.
a scenario for you. What will you do if the employer keep on following you? Like for example, you are cleaning the house and then employer, wherever you go, whatever in the area, in which areas of the house the employer is following you, what will you do?
I will let her be do that to me, because in Saudi my employer is like that. I have experience with the employer like that, ma'am.
All right. I think that's all for now, Jenny. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much and have a good day.
Thank
Bye.
you.